Hey guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be a wig review. I ordered a wig on Amazon. I'll show you right here. Cover my address. So there's that. Ordered a wig, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and review it. And first impressions, because I haven't even looked at it. I just looked at the reviews on Amazon, saw the picture, and was like, I want that, and I added it to cart and I bought it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so the wig that I got is the Premier 360 lace frontal, 20 inches, free part, and it was a light yaki. That's what the description on Amazon said, so this is what the box looks like. I don't think I've ever got a wig that was from this brand, so that's kind of cool. But every review that I saw on it, like, they were actually really good reviews. So this is the actual wig here. Let me see what else is in the box. There's a couple goodies that it came with. So it comes with a little edge brush, which is cool because the one that I have is kind of gunky. So I'll probably replace that with this one. Little brush on this side and comb on this side. You guys have seen these before. It comes with an elastic band, so that's cool if you want to sew that in. Just from looking, I think I saw like a review on this, maybe like 2 reviews on this wig. I think it comes with an elastic band already in the wig, but I'm not sure. It comes with a wig cap, so it comes with 2 caps in the very light color, so I'm gonna have to put my makeup and stuff over that. And then it comes with a little card that tells you all about the wig and stuff, so your basic wig care. And I think that's it. So cool. Alright, so this is, oh, this is long. Okay, I'm short. And I typically, during the summer, I will wear longer wigs. Recently, I've been more, like, getting, like, 18-inch wigs. So the 20-inch, this is long. I might need to cut this a little bit. This is kind of long. Let's see. So it comes in this bag with a little Ziploc thing on the bottom. I'm really excited. I'm actually getting my hair done tomorrow. Well, not done. I'm getting my hair washed and braided, so I'm not gonna glue this wig down because I have to get my hair braided and stuff tomorrow. I was gonna get it done on Friday, but something came up, so tomorrow I'm getting that done. So, okay. This is the wig. I got a 360. Oh, this is, oh, she's thick. Smells like regular hair. It doesn't smell chemically or anything. It looks like the knots have already been bleached. I am very lazy when it comes to wigs, so I don't, even if the knots are like terrible, usually don't bleach them. I've bleached the knots before and I know how to do it. I just don't end up doing it. I don't know. It's just, I don't do it, so I will cover it with makeup. But this one, yeah, it looks like the knots are already bleached, so that's good. The hairline looks pre-plucked, which is awesome. So this looks like I can just kind of wear it right out of the box. There is no elastic band, but I did order this on Amazon, so I think the review that I watched, the girl actually had purchased it from the Premier Wigs website, so it may be different. I'm not sure how all that works, but it is a 360. Let's see. There's a comb in the back. There are the adjustable bands right here, so you guys can see that, the little adjustable straps. There's 3 combs in the front, so 2 on the sides, like the temples, and then 1 on the very top right here. I do have cornrows in right now, so I will not be able to secure it down with the middle clamp, but I should be able to do the side ones, because like I said, I'm not going to glue this down. I might put a little bit of the Got2b, just the gel, just so it's kind of a little bit more secure, but I'm not going anywhere today. I have work in the morning, but I'm going to Walmart to get some groceries real quick, so I'm not really going anywhere where my hair could potentially slip off unless someone grabs it, and I would really hope that no one's trying to do that to me at Walmart. So anyway, yeah, so this is that. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, and you can kind of tell, yeah, you can tell that it is a little bit of a yaki texture. I've had really bad experience with yaki hair in the past, so that's why I like totally stay away from it, and I was very like apprehensive to even trying this wig because it said light yaki, but it's a very, very, very light yaki. It's almost like relaxed, like African-American hair. That's what it feels like to me. So it doesn't feel like the kinky yaki hair, which I have. I'm just not good at, I'm not a hairdresser. Like I said, I will wear wigs right out the box, even if the knots are not bleached, so I'm not that great with hair. So I just didn't know how to take care of it, and it's like they're beautiful wigs when I first try them out, but then like after a couple weeks it's just like a big natted mess, and it could just be the hair that I got, but I think it's kind of user error. But anyway, yeah, so this feels really good. I'm not seeing any shedding. Nope, no shedding. Not at all. And I mean, it's probably gonna shed once I cut the lace. It'll shed a little bit, but nice, nice, nice. Okay, so I have been like feeling a middle part recently. I have not had a middle part in like a couple years. Like, I haven't done a middle part, so I'm really hoping that this wig looks okay with that, because I want that middle with like the little swoops and stuff on the side. That's the look I'm going for today, so please, wig, do not fail me. My eyelash keeps getting stuck in the inner corner. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I have a wig on right now that looks really terrible, so I'm not gonna show that on camera. So I'll be back with the wig on. I'm not gonna cut the lace yet, but I'll come back with it on. Back, I just wanted to show you real quick. I went ahead and adjusted the straps because I have like a pretty small head. So yeah, I have a little head, so I got to make sure that this is tight. And of course, wigs, when you first get them, they're going to be very tight because you haven't stretched them out yet. So it should be perfectly fine on my head, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now. I'm gonna use the back comb to kind of secure it first. That's looking good so far. This feels really good on my head, so I think if you have a, I don't know, if you have a bigger head, this might be kind of tight for you, but then again, I do have it adjusted all the way, so it feels very, very, very good. It does, it feels kind of thin, but kind of doesn't at the same time. I mean, it's a lot of hair, so should be fine once I curl it. I think this is gonna work out with the middle part. I'm excited. Let me find my comb real quick. Okay, so I found my comb. I went ahead and plugged in my curler because I want to do some little bends in the front. This is the Conair curler. I don't know. I think it's like a 2-inch barrel. I'm not sure. Okay, so there is this. It's a free part, so you should be able to part it anywhere. Let me see. And I think I have some mousse, so I can go ahead and, oh gosh. So I can go ahead and get this part. Oh, this is nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, the knots look pretty bleached. At least towards the front of the wig. But it's okay. I think I can put a little bit of concealer. I'm not going to pluck it. Like I said, I'm very lazy when it comes to wigs. I will wear it right out the box. So yeah, I think it looks fine with the middle part. I'm gonna flatten it out, of course, and I might add some powder to kind of make it match my face a little bit more. But ooh, I like this a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and like secure it to my head with the combs. And then by that time my curler should already be heated up, and then I'll show you how I kind of like tame this part a little bit. So far I'm really, really liking this wig, and it doesn't feel, because my issue is like I am a big girl, so I need a lot of hair. So I don't like when the wig is so thin that like when I put it all to the front, there's nothing in the back, but there's still hair in the back, which you can see. So that's good. So let me go ahead and cut this, and I'm just gonna cut it close to the hairline, and I'll probably just leave a little bit of lace, like the tiniest amount of lace, just so when I do actually secure it down with glue, I have something to stick it to. So yeah, okay, all right, enough rambling. I will be back with the gosh, I can't talk. I'll be back with the lace cut. Okay, all right, okay, I'll be back. And can I just say, like, look at this hair, guys. Okay, all right, okay, hubby's at work right now. We about to make a baby when he comes. I'm just kidding, I'm joking. Okay, that was too much. Okay, all right, so I actually am gonna use this real quick. I'm just gonna use a little tiny teenser a little bit, because like I said, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I'm not actually gonna secure this. Let's see. I feel like this hair just like made me lose like 10 pounds. Like it makes my face, woo, it's cold. It's supposed to snow next week. I live in Washington. I'm just gonna put it a little bit on the sides, just for laughs, because you know that's not gonna stick. Just a little bit. Okay, all right. Wipe it on my pants. Wipe it on my pant. All right, so I have that down. My curler should be hot already. I have the Motions, what's this called? Mousse. That I like to use that to tame my hair. Oh, the side part even looks really good, but I know that I wanted a middle part. Let me just look. I always do side parts, so I do want to kind of switch it up a little bit. This hairline is really good. Like really good. It has like the baby hairs and stuff, so if I wanted to do that, like slick them down, I could, but that's not really, it's not really my thing. I probably will just put like the little tiny wispies down once I've done the part and everything, but I don't really like to have the big gelled edges. I feel like it's cute, it's just not for me. I really like this hair a lot. Like, it's so silky, but yet it's not like so, it's not fine, you know what I mean? Like, it's, oh, this is really nice. Ooh, I just feel really pretty. I feel really pretty. I like this. I should have gotten this for my wedding. I made a wig for the wedding, and oh my gosh, like, it was the wig was fine. It was just like the hair that I had to get, because I ended up having to do some other things that I wasn't planning to pay for, and so I had to kind of like use my hair budget for that, so I kind of had to skimp on the hair. So I did get some really cheap hair that looked great on the day of, but didn't last for like longer than 2 weeks, so that was kind of sad. But anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and part the wig. So I'm just gonna go straight down the middle. You guys know how to part here. Actually, no, I'm gonna go this way. Yes, and like I said, this is 360, so if I wanted to put it in like a high ponytail, I could. Every once in a while, I get ambitious and like to do like the little top bun, but that's not really... It takes a while to do that, and so I feel like I don't really have the time to do that, especially because I work really, really early in the morning, so... and I'm not really trying to impress anybody at work. So it is what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this here. This side is laying down pretty flat, but I am gonna go ahead and put some on that side as well. Okay, and I'm just gonna comb it. I'm gonna look in my mirror real quick, so I won't be looking at you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, probably like 10-15 minutes or so, and then I will come back and do the little flippy curls and tell you my final thoughts. But you guys already know I love this wig already, and like this is straight out the box. All I did was cut the lace. I didn't do anything to it. I might not even need to put powder on the part, like it looks fine. So anyway, okay, I will be back in just a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I'm impatient. I went ahead and took off my little head wrap, and I think I lasted maybe like 5 minutes. So anyway, this part over here is still a little bit kind of damp, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair curler, and I'm literally just gonna lay it down on the part to kind of get it a little bit more flat. And then, ooh, this is hot. Ah! I have an electric straightening comb, but my sister has it right now, so I cannot use that. Otherwise, that is what I would have used. But this does kind of the same exact thing. And I don't want it super, super flat because I do like a lot of volume in my hair. I just kind of want to dry it out a little bit. I went ahead and I did add a little tiny bit more gel just so the lace itself would kind of melt into my skin better. And I mean, only leaving that on for like 5 minutes, it did a really good job. So you can probably see it, but not a lot. That right here, this is from how tight the stock, oh my gosh, I keep wanting to call it a stocking cap. How tight that was on my head. So that's not the lace. The lace is right here. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, that is so hot. And I'm kind of just like moving it up so that it has that like swoopy kind of look. Okay, same thing on this side. You can see my lace is lifting up. Like I said, I'm not gonna completely secure it down. So anyway, cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take kind of just like the front pieces and then just curl it away from my face. I may cut some layers in the front of this, but I kind of wanted to see how it curls, really. And I'm using this big size because I don't want tight curls. I just kind of want waves. Oh, this is so nice. I like this a lot. Oh, I may not cut it. I like how that, actually, you know what? I may cut that a little bit on the front. Just some layers on the front. I'm gonna curl the bottom. I don't know, you guys can't see it. I'm just grabbing all of it and I'm gonna curl the bottom part. Just so it's not bone straight. Because I don't really like, on me, I don't really like bone straight hair. I like a little bit of a curl to it. So there's that. And then I am going to kind of trim the front a little bit. I feel like I'm rambling, sorry. I just really like this hair a lot. Let me go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so there's that. This hair is so pretty. Okay, let me go ahead and trim the front just a little bit. Like I said before, I'm not a hairstylist, so this is just how I layer hair. So don't don't get mad at me if I don't do it how you do it. Okay, I'm taking these scissors. They're just small scissors. They're not even hair cutting scissors. I'm gonna take this so that it's smooth. And then I'm literally just gonna go down diagonally. And I'm gonna kind of start it right here because I don't wanna. Just going down like that. There we go. That's all I wanna do. Just some soft layers. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, let me do the same thing on the other side. I don't typically like to cut my hair because I am very cheap. Like when I spent, like this wig I think was $180, so like I spent a lot of money on it, so I don't want to cut it, you know what I mean? Okay, let me shut up so I can concentrate. Let me give you my final thoughts on this wig. As you guys can already tell, I love this wig. It was like 180, I think it's like 174, but with like taxes and everything, it came out to like 180, I think. I have Amazon Prime, but I think it was like 180. And I think there is a coupon for it, like a 5% off coupon on Amazon already. So go ahead and check it out. I will have it linked below. But I love this wig so much. It was a 360 light yaki from Premier Lace Wigs, and got it in 20 inches. And I did get it in like the natural color. Anyway, I am feeling myself right now. I haven't had a middle part in like a long time, and I really like how it looks. And I love this length. I love how like soft and silky it is. So I'm really hoping this wig lasts for a long time, because the last hair that I got only lasted for like 2 weeks, and I was very sad, and I had to live with ratchet hair for a while because I spent a lot of money on the wedding, so I was broke. But anyway, yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys, oh my gosh, look at that hairline though. Girl, when I melt this wig, oh, you won't be able to tell me anything. Okay, I really like this a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on it. Yeah, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Yes, and I spent my own money on this wig. I don't have any sponsors or anything. So of course, this is all my genuine thoughts. You guys saw me take it out of the box. I cannot stop looking at myself. I love this wig so much. Okay, anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stick around and watch some other videos if you are new to this channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you to those of you who have been subscribed and been rocking with me. I love you guys and I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.